The 4200 PSI Electric Power Washer is equipped with a formidable 1800-watt motor, which generates an impressive 4,200 PSI and 2.8 gallons per minute, making it a powerful tool for a variety of cleaning tasks. Despite its power, this washer is lightweight and portable, complete with special wheels and a long 25-foot hose, ensuring convenience and a superior reach. The washer prides itself on professional safety design, featuring a total stop system that automatically shuts off the motor when the trigger is released, saving energy and prolonging the pump's life. For added safety, it also features a safety lock designed to protect children from accidentally triggering the spray gun. The washer comes with 5 quick connect nozzles, each designed for a different task, from dissolving stubborn substances on hard surfaces to safely cleaning windows and screens. In addition to its impressive features, the 4200 PSI Electric Power Washer provides professional customer service, ensuring a high-quality product and customer experience.